Hi there, so today we are going to learn about how to create some color gradient using Python pill library. If you haven't referred my previous video, then please go and refer it because it tells you how to create new image, how to open new image, how to do stuffs with the images in Python using PIL library. So let's start with today's coding part. First of all, the method which we are going to use today is put pixel, which is available in almost every language, so you can implement this color gradient in every language. So this thing you can implement everything in every other language. So let's start with the coding part. Let's import it. Import p from PIL, import image. Now let's create one image. Img equals to image dot new. Let's give the mode RGBA, then that is 900 by 900. The color doesn't matter as we are gonna create some color gradient, so I'm not providing it. And then create some two for loop. The size of the image, that is first one is for width, and then height. Now just use img dot put pixel bracket x comma y, that is position, then comma. Here give the RGB value. So let's first get 0, 0, 0. Okay. And then img dot show. We have already learned how to save the image, so you can save also. Okay, the variable name is ing, not xmy. Okay, so let's give some color gradient. So let's say j by 4. Here the size of the height of the image is 900, so we are dividing it by 4, so it comes to the range of 0 to 255 because the color, the RGB value differs from, that is range from 0 to 255. So make sure it's come, the value in this section is 0 to 255. If it exceed, it work but not the way we want it, so just make sure it is in a range of 0 to 255. Here j by 4 will give you color gradient of blue in a vertical way. Let's run this code. So you can see that from top to bottom the intensity of green color is getting increased, and it is what I say is vertical gradient, it is from top to the bottom. Now let's learn about horizontal thing. For horizontal, use the outer loop variable I divided by 4. This would give you a green color gradient because it's RGB. You can see that from left to right the intensity of color green is increasing. So let's do some cool stuff with this knowledge. Let's give red as horizontal one, that is I divided by 4. Then just make it 0, and then give this one as vertical one, that is j divided by 4. You can use any permutation and combination. Yes, it's working very well. So from left to right the intensity of red is increasing, from top to bottom intensity of blue is increasing, and in this section it is merging, so then something new color combination of red and blue is getting displayed over here. So let's add one more parameter. Let's add some green only, so j divided by 4, then run it. Yeah, it just look amazing, you can say that. Yeah, the green color, the red color, and in between the mixture of it. This is mixture of green and blue, I must say, because two vertical gradients, green and blue, as we have mentioned, j divided by 4, j divided by 4, and then one horizontal red, I divided by 4. Most of the time we are not using this thing logically. We can do some permutations and combination, like divided by 5, then divided by 3, or let's say j minus 15, j minus, or j, let's say j modulo 255. This will give you error because sometimes j could be 0, so you cannot divide 0 by 255. Just add 1 to it, then run it. Kind of a new gradient, so it's just combination of things. But when you want to create some full gradient, the parameters I've already mentioned, but you can do permutation and combinations too. So hopefully you'll be able to make some good gradients and enjoy it. The gradients means kind of a color thing, and you can use it in background, or you can use it to import it to same image, or give some filters to it, or you can use it anyway. So in next video we are going to use these gradients to create one new image. We'll learn it how to create some new image with the gradient in Python. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't done that, please do so for the future update. Hopefully the video was worth watching. Thank you so much for watching it.